Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm really happy you are here today.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, I feel excited today. This lesson is very helpful for beginners.
That's true, Paul. Today's topic is sentence completion practice for A1 level. It sounds serious, but it is actually simple and fun.
Charlie, can I be honest? When I was learning English, I was scared of sentences.
Really? I feel the same. I knew many words, but I did not know how to finish a sentence.
Exactly. My mind was full of ideas, but my sentence stopped in the middle.
That happens to many learners. Dear viewers, if you feel this way, you are not alone.
Yes, and today we will practice together. No fear. Just try.
Let's start with something easy. Sentence completion means finishing a sentence in a correct way.
Right. For example, listen to this sentence. I like to in the morning,
Good example. You can say, I like to walk in the morning.
or I like to study in the morning.
That's true. Many answers are possible. The sentence is simple, but it helps your brain think in English.
Let's try another one. My favorite food is pasta.
I like this one. My favorite food is rice.
Nice. My favorite food is pizza. See? Easy and personal.
That's important. When the sentence is about you, learning feels warm and real.
I feel the same. Let's do a daily life sentence now. I go to school by foot.
I go to school by bus.
Great. You can also say car, bike, or even walk.
Dear learners, don't worry about mistakes. Focus on finishing the sentence.
Yes, a small sentence is better than no sentence.
Now let's talk about feelings. Listen carefully. Today, I feel tired.
Today, I feel happy.
Nice. Today, I feel tired but also hopeful.
That's honest. English is not only words, it is feelings too.
Exactly. When you complete sentences about feelings, you connect with the language.
Let's do one more together. In my free time,
In my free time, I read books.
in my free time, I watch movies.
Very good. Viewers, you can pause the video and try your own answers.
Yes, take your time. English is not a race.
Paul, do you remember your first full English sentence?
Oh yes, it was very simple. My name is Paul.
That's a beautiful start.
I was proud. I felt confident for the first time.
That's why sentence completion is powerful. It builds confidence step by step.
Let's try a little story now. We will complete sentences to make a short story.
Great idea. Let's begin. This is my friend, Ja. He is years old.
This is my friend Rachel. He is 20 years old.
Nice. Next sentence. He likes to and
He likes to play football and read books.
very good. One more. Every day he speaks English.
Every day, he studies English.
See, friends, you just made a story with simple sentences.
And you practice grammar without stress.
That's true. Simple practice can make big change.
Dear viewers, you can do this at home. Write half sentences and complete them.
Yes, use topics like food, family, hobbies, and dreams.
Dreams are important. Try this sentence. One day, I want to blank, blank, blank.
One day, I want to speak English fluently.
I feel inspired. One day, I want to help others learn English.
That's beautiful, Paul.
Charlie, what is the lesson for today?
The lesson is simple. Big goals start with small sentences.
That's true. You don't need perfect English. You need practice.
Sentence completion helps you think, speak, and feel in English.
And every small sentence is a step forward.
Dear learners, be kind to yourself. Learn slowly, but don't stop.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing.
And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.